They call them one Hoover and one Bissell. Yeah.
They won't pick it off.
They, in the past, they have like off the breadboard or something that's been pulled out. Yeah, but, no.
Okay, because
They're
when
pretty good. No, that high, no.
You got them trained.
Yeah.
going last time.
Although they might be seeing that heat and she's trained.
How far away do you live?
I live between Buffalo and Rockford.
Oh, that's not
Do you know where the trailer sales is on Highway 55? Where County Road 14 that goes to Delano, goes across the 12?
I think so.
Yeah.
Right in there. Awesome.
No, I'm 3 miles from that, so I work at the courthouse.
Okay. Who are you?
I'm Becky's sister.
Oh, okay. I should have recognized.
Tripped over himself. Okay, I kind of feel bad.
Yeah, are the top 4 teams playing today? It was like, it was Florida and
Yeah, I think.
Okay, they're not gonna bother me, maybe I can go back down again.
Florida